Okay, so hey guys, I'm back. I haven't been filming much, so yeah, now I'm going to start filming a bit more, but I want to show you some new things I picked up. So look, this is the first thing I picked up. It is a XH Falcon Tradesman, and I'm selling this bull bar. Next week, and yeah, so here it is. Australian flag. Pretty cool, but the problem was with it was the smart lock on it was broken, so I bought this thing. Smart lock bypass module. This thing here, and because it wouldn't start because of smart lock, and I wired it all in here. So what you gotta do, you gotta find the black and green wire, put that one to the negative. The red wire just goes straight to the red wire. Then the green wire you have to cut and put it into the ECU. The problem I had was with it was I put it into straight into the wiring harness, not the ECU, so that didn't work. But swapped it around and it started, but it just doesn't start good because I'm waiting on my spark plug leads, because I need spark plug leads for it to start. But yeah, so after I get spark plug leads, that's another video of it running. But yeah, so it doesn't, the leads are broken and stuff, so yeah, get that going. So yeah, and also picked up another vehicle, so I'll show you that. And then here's the other vehicle I picked up. This one's I don't know if I like this one better. I like this one better because this one works. But here it is, an AU Falcon wagon. It's got, look, even got the back sun visor thing. Got the wheels off that on it. And yeah, it's pretty cool. This one runs. Let's start it up real quick. Oh, look, smoke coming out of it from the burnout I just did. Alright, got it in neutral, park. There we go. Look at it. This thing's a weapon. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Aircon works. Everything works. Look, interior is pretty good. Got this one for $500. And just wait until you hear it. This thing sounds cool. Alright, here we go. Ready? Sounds pretty cool, eh? But yeah, so this is the AU Falcon wagon. And then here's my VA. Got the thing out the hood, crashed it, no front tires on it, but yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. So thought I'd just do some more videoing because there wasn't much in this video, but So what we're doing now is, here's my XH ute, and I'll show you what I've done. Connect on the battery so it doesn't go flat. So yesterday, oh it's hot. Yesterday what I did was I figured out what the wires all do what. This one's for the radio, this one's for auxiliary, that one's for power. So now when you flick, I'm going to put that switch right there like that. Flick that switch, power comes on, radio comes on, screen, all the dash and everything comes on like that. And then now you're pressing this button, turns over. But yeah, got the manual 5-speed gearbox. But yeah, it's got the aircon did work, but it doesn't work now somehow. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So, and before it had smart lock issues, so the smart lock light would flash, so it wouldn't start. It's a very common issue on these. So there's this guy on what's it, on eBay, that sells a smart lock bypass module, and here it is here. And all you got to do is just wire it into the ECU. So I did that. Doesn't take that long. It's not very hard. And then the smart lock light was still flashing. So, and on the paper it says to just take the bulb out. So I just took the bulb out now. There's no lights on there. So yeah, so that's good. And this one is the tradesman model. So pretty sure there's only about 500 of these ones made for this. The 98, yeah. Got the toe ball on it. Got the body's pretty straight, but there's a bit of rust on the hair, so that's the main problem. But yeah, iron this door's chipping off paint, but just repaint that. So all I'm waiting for now is the part to come, but it's at my old house, so might be a week or so until I can get them. But gotta change out the distributor in there. Hard to see. Got a new distributor, got new spark plug leads, and then hopefully it will run. But yeah, and this bull bar was on it, but I got offered to sell this for $500. It's the same price as the car, so I thought I'll sell that, get the car for free basically, and then also these side skirts too. So bull bar side skirts for $500. Would have got the car for free, and then, well, I know because I had to hire a trailer and stuff, but yeah, and then with that money I've already ordered the smart lock, that's already in there, there's a distributor, cap, and spark plug leads. That's what I bought for that. But I might, with the rest of the money, I'm going to need to take out all the old fuel out of it, because the old fuel's doesn't look very great. Look at it, it's very, I've got to put the line on that, but it's very dirty fuel. So I'll take all the old fuel out, probably put $50 or so in it, and then yeah, there might be some more stuff I'll have to purchase for it, but other than that, it's pretty cool. I like it. So yeah, so that's my XH Falcon, and yeah, I'll probably try to get this going, and then I'll post another video after I get the parts to see if I can properly get it going. But yeah, so I thought before I go, I'll just do a quick video of how it sounds now before I do all the parts. So yeah, let's get started. So you gotta flick this on, and then there's only 4 spark plug leads on it right now, so it will not run good, but we'll just prime that a couple times. Right, now alright, hold on. maybe I won't start it. Alright, there you go, it's sort of running. Nah, it's not gonna run, but yeah, well, at least you sort of heard it going. So after I change out the parts, we can see the difference. So yeah, I'll do another video after I get all the parts.